Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by choosing one Google account as your master calendar because you want a single source of truth. Once done, set your time zone and week start to prevent shifted events. Make sure to pick 24-hour or 12-hour display to match your habit. Next, create default event duration and reminder rules so new items behave predictably. Also assign a consistent color scheme for high priority versus low priority items. This speeds recognition. Now you're ready to add your first events with rules already applied. You now create event templates for meetings, deep work, and personal routines to save time. Save them with clear titles and default durations. Then apply recurrence rules, daily, weekly, or custom with an end date to avoid manual repeats. Once templates exist, add secondary calendars for projects and clients and set sharing permissions. View only for general access, edit for collaborators. Also use color codes per calendar, and make sure notifications and guest permissions are consistent so invites behave the way you expect. You finish by enabling mobile sync and desktop notifications so nothing is missed. Make sure offline access is on if you travel. Then export a backup periodically and learn keyboard shortcuts. Create with C, edit with E, search with /. Once everything is set, review a full week and month to confirm layout. If items go missing, check time zone mismatches, hidden calendars in the list, and device sync settings. Fixing those three usually restores events and stops duplicate invites from appearing.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.